Hey guys, Angelo here. Today I have a video for you guys about few things that makes my life a lot easier. Uh, Even on my maintenance here for my old computers and stuff, but also on my day to day as I work with an IT tech. So I usually go to sites, I need tools, I have little gadgets to make my life easier. So I've been compiling. Maybe this will be the first one. I'm gonna be making one or more two videos because there's so many gadgets that I have on me, and I wanna share it with you guys today. So let's stop to talking and just let's show you guys. The first thing that I have here on my hands is a little label maker, and that little thing saves my life a lot. I do have a larger one for something, but this one is so small, so compact, and I can just connect to my phone. I'm gonna show you guys. Just hit power, and on the phone, you can do a lot of things on it. And instead to get those bulk printers and everything, this one is so simple. And it allow me to make so many things. Like on this one, the app is nice. I can get so many things on. Here you go. I can do labels. I can do like so many things. I can just get a picture and just get straight to here. Let me see if I have anything here ready. No, I'm gonna show you guys later. And that printer, and that label, see, I have metallic, and it comes with like a bunch of different colors and all kind of things. I'm gonna list those below here. And that's the D30. That's another models, but I like that one to be smaller and it's rechargeable. Okay, next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is one thing that I really like it, especially when I go somewhere for little repairs. And even on my workbench, sometimes I don't want to get my iron connect and everything. That little thing, it's a soldering iron, also portable. Just get the tip on it and it heats up so fast. Okay, green is the lowest temperature. If I hit again, gets blue, that's the medium temperature. If I hit again, goes red, that's the high temperature. And they see is already ready for soldering, and it's a really nice soldering station, as you can call, not a soldering station, but it's a soldering iron that it's really nice to have on your toolbox. It came with a box with a USB cable, a stand for it, and mine also I got few different tips for it, and that's really useful when you're gonna go for some little jobs for small soldering, or go on the field when you don't have something close by to connect your soldering station. So that's a nice one. Third one that kind of complement the ironing solder is that headlight lamp. I use that a lot, especially when working on servers, on places that's hard to reach. You need both of your hands available. On here, they are so bright, trust me. They can bright everything around. And have another level that is small, that's lower. And I also have a light on the side here, small, and if you turn on, there's another button on the side here. If you touch it, okay, you are working something, you need light, you're working something, that's all, thumbs up. And like all those items that I'm showing you guys, all of them are USB rechargeable, with you don't have to carry batteries or anything, and that's nice. The next thing also, a little flashlight. Sometimes when you look doing something, it's nice to have a flashlight on you, and that little one, I have another one, but I really like that one. I could not find the exactly model anymore on Amazon because I have that one for a while, but I have a similar that I'm gonna be posting down too. So on that one here, it's so bright. Trust me, you can just light up everything, and you have some you can adjust the point of focus, and have a second, and have a strobe just in case, and off. And again, USB, and as you can see, all my devices I have labels on it, made on that little one. One more thing, this one here, I did a lot of research, looking around on Amazon, other sites, and I saw a lot of good reviews about that little air dust. And before, I know a lot of us bought those air cans, and that expensive, and well, on those days, that little thing, again, rechargeable, and that thing is powerful. I use that one the very last 10-15 minutes on continuous mode, but usually we don't use it continuously. To clean something, there's a power button back here. Hit, see? There's the 3 levels, and wow, that's really strong. And if you hit power again, the medium level, and that goes continuous, and the weakest one, and only on the highest mode, if you press and release, they keep just a burst. On the other two, they keep continuous, like you just hit it, and if you hit and hold power, it's just shut down. Okay, I can tell that's a really useful item, especially when it goes to do computer maintenance, some servers that needs to be to be clean inside or something. There's a good one. Also, on the cleaning section still, I got that hand vacuum. I used another ones before, but I didn't like it. So I liked a lot that one here, and I've been using it for a long time, and don't seem like it's strong, the vacuum, but trust me, they are. And just when you full, they can just open, throw the dust whatever off, and get back. And here you can just get the filter out, just push on here, clean, and put it back, and that's it, and you are good to go. And that one, I used it before for almost 20 minutes constantly, and with no problems. There's a good one. Okay, the next one here, again, is a little one. That's not that best thing in the world, but just for cleaning a keyboard or something little that you need to reach something like deep inside. That little vacuum also is nice and cheap. I got them really cheap on Amazon. I think so it was like $10, $12 or something like that. And I really like that one too. All those items are always on my toolbox, and nice. All right, next thing, a hand screwdriver. Most of the time, some jobs I don't like to use electrical screwdrivers. I use manual screwdrivers because some delicate stuff at all. But for a lot of things, I really like to use that little screwdriver. They are so light, small. I have 5, 6 more larger ones, bigger ones. But this one here, for small projects, for little things, they are perfect. And I have that screwdriver for probably 4 or 5 years. I'm not sure. And so far, so good. Again, rechargeable, no batteries, no nothing, and a good deal. And again, link is on the description. Keep going on electrical things. Ryobi. Yep, a lot of people says Ryobi, blah, 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 but I have that one for more than 3 years right now, and keep going. That's a little power inverter. It's not so powerful, like just 150 watts, and it's not a sine wave, just to make it to put clear right there. They don't have like a clear 120 sinusoidal wave on it, but for little things when you are in the middle of nowhere and you need some power to power something to test. I used that one before when I was installing antenna in the middle of somewhere. There was no power on there yet. When I got there, I was supposed to have power and everything to test and to install the antenna, but when I got there, electricians didn't have the power yet. So instead to turn away, get back, and blah, 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 say, hold on, got that one. Bingo, you have 110 volts, 150 watts for little things. It's really nice. And have a built-in flashlight, but that's not so useful. And 2 USB ports on it. And it uses a lithium-ion Ryobi battery. So use it if it gets down. I have 6 of those batteries. Just swap the battery, put a fresh one, and you are good to go. So there's a nice one to have too. Okay. Some people says, you do IT, why do you need a torch? Well, like I said, few things I do on the field sometimes. I had a solar panel controller that I have to replace some time ago, and one of the cables were torn. So what I did, instead to try to get next day a cable get back there, I just cut the cable, resolder, put a shrink wrap on it, and done. And that one is really nice. I have a little one, but I usually carry that one on my toolbox. And not only for shrink wrap, I got something before, I can't remember, but I use it few quite times, that one. And rechargeable, just get a bottle of butane, recharge, and you are good to go. And lastly, what I have here, it's a brick. Not a brick, I'm joking. That's a power brick, and I like that one. I have them for almost 3 years, and they are huge, a little heavy, but have 2 outputs on the top, that's 2.2 amps, and 2 on the bottom, that's 1 amp each. I also have USB-C, and That thing is awesome. I usually charge my phone when I need it 4 or 5 times a full charge and still have juice on that thing. See, now it's totally charged, 100%. And see, all my tools, I have my labels on it, made with that little printer. And one thing that you guys probably are like, whoa, but something weird in all your devices. Like, there's the charger port, there's the charger port. Even on my phones, that's my charger port. So, but what's going on here? See, on the little printer, my charger port. Well, those are USB. The print itself is a micro USB. The blower is a USB-C, but for all of us, I have that one here. It's a quick release cable that I have here. I bought a lot of those. I have some on my car, some on my office here. When I need to charge something, that's it. Charging. If I need to get right away, oh, my phone needs charging. That's it. See, it's pretty quickly. You can get the cables on Amazon, and they came with different chips. You can, I think so, I'm gonna link below what I bought before. There's a kit that came with, I think so, 4 cables. One is like 6 feet long, 2 are 5 feet, and 1 is 3 feet long. And I've been using those for the last 4 or 5 years. And trust me guys, I love it. So that's all I can have for you guys right now. I'm gonna be making another video, and I'm gonna be posting all those things that I show you guys today on the description. Those are Amazon links. So just click it there, buy it. It'll be the same price for you guys, but I just have a little change on my account to help me on the channel. And if you guys like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you to the next one. Bye.